Have you ever had that moment where you stride into a room, head held high, feeling absolutely unstoppable, like you're about to own the place? Maybe it's a big meeting, a party, or just walking into your favorite cafe. You're channeling all the confidence you can muster, ready to make a grand entrance, and for a split second, you feel like nothing can go wrong. And then, out of nowhere, your foot betrays you. It's like your shoe and the floor have conspired against you, and suddenly, you're not gliding, you're stumbling. You trip over absolutely nothing. No obstacle, no banana peel, just thin air and your own 2 feet. It's the kind of moment that makes you question reality for a second. Suddenly you're flailing, arms windmilling, face planting into the nearest table and seriously questioning your relationship with gravity. It's as if the universe decided to humble you right when you least expected it. My most memorable trip? It happened right before I was about to step on stage to share some health tips with a packed audience. My foot just dragged behind me, and I nearly took the entire curtain down with me. Not exactly the entrance I had rehearsed. The audience burst out laughing, probably thinking it was part of a comedy bit. If only I could claim it was intentional. But inside, I was mortified, wishing I could disappear behind that curtain. We all tend to blame clumsiness, slippery shoes, or uneven floors for these moments. Sometimes we even joke about being accident-prone, but what if it's not just bad luck or a fashion mishap? Sometimes it's your body's internal wiring misfiring, sending mixed signals to your muscles. Imagine your brain is texting your foot, lift, but the message never arrives. The signal gets lost somewhere along the way, and your foot just doesn't get the memo. That's more than just embarrassing, it could actually be a sign of something called foot drop. It's a real condition where your foot suddenly acts like a dead weight, making walking tricky and unpredictable. So, why does your foot suddenly refuse to cooperate? What's happening inside your body to cause this awkward, sometimes dangerous stumble? Let's pull back the curtain, literally and figuratively, and find out what's really going on beneath the surface. There's a fascinating story behind every stumble, and understanding it could make all the difference. So, get ready to turn that awkward stumble into a stride of knowledge, because sometimes the most unexpected moments can teach us the most about our bodies and ourselves. So, what exactly is foot drop, and why does it make your foot act like it's suddenly forgotten how to be a foot? Picture your foot as a loyal teammate, always ready to help you walk, run, or even dance without a second thought. But then, out of nowhere, it starts flopping around like a boneless fish, refusing to cooperate with the rest of your body. Instead of lifting smoothly with each step, your foot drags behind and slaps the ground, making every stride feel clumsy and awkward. The real culprit isn't your foot itself, it's the muscles at the front of your shin, called the dorsiflexors, that are suddenly refusing to do their job. Foot drop isn't a disease on its own. Instead, it's a symptom, a big, flashing sign that your body's lift command isn't getting through to your foot. Normally, when you walk, your ankle flexes upward just in time to clear the ground, letting you move smoothly and confidently. But with foot drop, your foot stays stuck pointing downward, making it easy to trip over curbs, rugs, or even your own toes. To compensate, your hip and knee have to work overtime, lifting your leg higher than normal just to keep your toes from scraping the ground. This is called a step page gait, and it can look and feel pretty awkward. Over time, this new way of walking can be exhausting, making even short walks feel like a marathon. It's awkward, tiring, and a big red flag that something's not right with your nerve pathway. Think of foot drop as your body's version of a check engine light, a warning that something deeper needs attention. The message from your brain, which should travel smoothly down your nerves to tell your foot to lift, is getting lost, blocked, or interrupted somewhere along the way. Our job, as doctors and detectives, is to figure out exactly where that signal is breaking down. Is it a pinched nerve, a muscle problem, or something going on in the brain or spine? Understanding what's causing foot drop is the crucial first step to getting your foot back in the game and helping you walk confidently again. Ever seen someone with foot drop walk? It's a high-stepping march, what I call the floppy foot parade. Because the toes won't lift, people compensate by lifting their thigh way up just to clear the ground. Sometimes they swing the leg out to the side like a rusty gate to avoid tripping. Both moves look awkward, but they're clever workarounds. The downside, it's tiring and puts extra strain on your hips, knees, and back. It's like driving everywhere in first gear, loud, jerky, and exhausting. But don't just see the awkwardness, see the resilience. The body adapts, finding ways to keep moving even when the wiring's faulty. Every step tells a story, a nerve not doing its job, and a body determined to keep going. It's a parade of perseverance, and it deserves respect. Meet the real culprit, the perineal nerve. Think of your nervous system as an electrical grid, and this nerve is the power line running down your leg. Its job? Deliver the lift signal to your foot muscles. But it's exposed, like a power line just above the ground, making it easy to squish or damage. When the signal gets blocked, your foot flops. Imagine the nerve as a pizza delivery guy. If he gets stuck in traffic or loses the pizza, your muscles go hungry. The problem isn't the muscles, it's the delivery service. That's why foot drop is a nerve issue, not a muscle one. Fix the signal, and your foot can get back to work. So, how does the perineal nerve get in trouble? Sometimes it's as simple as crossing your legs too long or wearing tight boots, compressing the nerve near your knee. Other times a herniated disc in your back pinches the nerve root, causing symptoms far down your leg. Injuries, surgeries, or even wild dancing can stun the nerve into silence. Rapid weight loss can remove protective padding, leaving the nerve exposed. Diabetes and childbirth can also play a role. The key? Foot drop is a clue. Look deeper for the real cause, find the root, and you can get back on your feet. Noticing your foot flopping or dragging when you walk? Don't panic, but don't ignore it either. Step 1. See your doctor as soon as possible. It's tempting to search online and try to self-diagnose, but only a medical professional can pinpoint the real cause and guide you to the right treatment. Your doctor will likely ask about your symptoms, check your reflexes, and may order tests to get to the root of the problem. Early intervention is key, so don't delay. While you wait for answers, make supportive shoes your new best friend. Choose shoes with firm soles and a snug fit to help stabilize your foot and prevent accidental trips. Avoid flip-flops or loose footwear that can make things worse. The right shoes can make a surprising difference in your comfort and confidence as you move through your day. Next, talk to your doctor or therapist about an ankle-foot orthosis, or AFO. This lightweight, custom-fitted brace gently holds your foot up, making each step safer and steadier. Modern AFOs are discreet and comfortable, fitting right into your shoe so you can walk with confidence and less worry about stumbling. It's a simple solution that can truly transform your walk, improve your posture, and dramatically reduce your risk of falls. Many people find that using an AFO helps them regain independence and get back to activities they love. But don't stop there. Physical therapy is absolutely crucial. A skilled therapist will design a personalized exercise plan to strengthen your leg and foot muscles, improve your balance, and keep your joints flexible. They'll guide you through stretches and movements that target the nerves and muscles affected by foot drop. Your therapist may also use electrical stimulation to help wake up lazy nerves and encourage muscle activity. This can speed up recovery and help you regain control over your foot. Consistency is key. Regular sessions and at-home exercises can make a world of difference. Remember, foot drop is often treatable, and many people see big improvements with the right approach. Stay positive and patient. Progress may be gradual, but every step forward counts. With the right care, supportive gear, and dedicated therapy, you can go from feeling frustrated to walking strong and proud. Don't underestimate the power of small changes. They add up to big results over time. If you enjoy these health tips with a side of humor, don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Your support helps us reach more people and share even more helpful advice for living your healthiest, happiest life. Thanks for joining me on this journey to happier, healthier feet. I appreciate you being here and taking steps, literally and figuratively, toward better health. Next time, we'll tackle another body mystery: why your bones sometimes sound like castanets when you move. It's a fascinating topic you won't want to miss. Until then, keep striding forward with confidence and care. Every step you take is a victory for your health. Your feet and your nerves will thank you for the attention and love you give them. Stay strong, stay curious, and keep moving.